Are you looking for fun ways to spend your free time? Whether you enjoy painting, playing music, or exploring the outdoors, hobbies make life more exciting. In this video, we'll go through 50 hobbies and pastimes to help you improve your English vocabulary. Let's get started.
Painting, making pictures with colors. She loves painting beautiful landscapes. Hiking, walking in nature for fun. We went hiking in the mountains yesterday. Photography, taking pictures with a camera. He enjoys photography and takes great photos. Gardening, growing plants and flowers. My grandmother spends hours gardening. Reading, looking at and understanding books. Reading is my favorite way to relax. Dancing, moving your body to music. She is dancing at the party. Swimming, moving through water. We go swimming in the pool every weekend. Cycling, riding a bicycle. He enjoys cycling in the park. Drawing, making pictures with a pencil or pen. She likes drawing animals. Writing, making stories or notes with words. He is writing a short story. Cooking, making food to eat. My father loves cooking Italian dishes. Baking, making bread, cakes, or cookies. She is baking a chocolate cake. Playing chess, playing a game with black and white pieces. They play chess every evening. Playing the guitar, making music with a guitar. He is playing the guitar in a band. Singing, making music with your voice. She enjoys singing in the choir. Playing video games, playing games on a computer or console. He spends his free time playing video games. Watching movies, looking at films for fun. We are watching movies at home tonight. Listening to music, hearing songs for enjoyment. She listens to music every morning. Traveling, going to different places. I love traveling to new countries. Fishing, catching fish from water. They go fishing by the lake. Camping, sleeping outside in a tent. We are camping in the forest this weekend. Collecting stamps, keeping different stamps as a hobby. He has been collecting stamps for years. Knitting, making clothes with yarn and needles. My grandmother is knitting a sweater. Sewing, making or fixing clothes with a needle. She is sewing a dress for her doll. Woodworking, making things from wood. He enjoys woodworking in his garage. Playing soccer, playing a game with a ball and two goals. They are playing soccer at the park. Playing basketball, playing a game with a ball and a hoop. He loves playing basketball with his friends. Playing tennis, playing a game with a racket and ball. She is playing tennis on the court. Playing board games, playing games on a table with friends. We play board games on weekends. Surfing, riding on waves in the sea. He loves surfing at the beach. Running, moving fast with your legs. She goes running every morning. Bird watching, looking at birds and learning about them. He enjoys bird watching in the park. Puzzle solving, finding answers to problems in a puzzle. She spends time puzzle solving at home. Yoga, stretching and moving for relaxation. He does yoga every day. Calligraphy, writing letters in a beautiful way. She practices calligraphy with a special pen. Playing the piano, making music with a piano. He is playing the piano in the concert. Playing the violin, making music with a violin. She is learning to play the violin. Photography, taking pictures with a camera. He enjoys photography and takes great photos. Acting, performing in a play or movie. She loves acting in school plays. Ice skating, moving on ice with special shoes. We go ice skating in winter. Skateboarding, riding on a small board with wheels. He practices skateboarding in the park. Origami, folding paper to make shapes. She enjoys origami and makes paper animals. Pottery, making objects from clay. He is making a vase in his pottery class. Watching sports, looking at sports games for fun. He enjoys watching sports on TV. Playing cards, playing games with small rectangular papers. They are playing cards with their friends. Metal detecting, searching for metal objects in the ground. He found an old coin while metal detecting. Horse riding, sitting on a horse and moving. She loves horse riding on the farm. Blogging, writing posts on the internet. He is blogging about his travels.